Hello dear viewers, this is somebody. Welcome to Techno World UK. Today I'm going to show you our best drone SJRC F11 4K Pro GPS drone 5G Wi-Fi FPV drone with 4K HD camera, 2-axis gimbal and brushless motor, foldable RC quadcopter, 3 batteries. The brand is Taotuo. This is a high quality drone with a professional features. "5G Wi-Fi FPV 4K camera, electronics images stabilization, EIS app control flight, GPS auto return, follow me, altitude hold, user-defined flight plan, orbit mode, hand gesture shooting, photo video share, 1 key takeoff, 2-axis stabilized gimbal, 26 minutes long flight time, etc. Advanced 5G Wi-Fi and 4K 2-axis stabilized camera. The upgraded camera with 100-degree FOV field of view lens gives a panoramic view for recording your unforgettable moment. 5G Wi-Fi transmission ensures high-quality real-time video, ideal for selfie. Equipped with 4K cameras, capture amazing pictures and videos from the sky. With stable gimbal, the drone records vibration-free footage. GPS assisted flight provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. Built-in return to home RTH function for safer flight. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak. When flying out of range, never worrying about losing the drone. Follow me mode and orbit mode, the drone will automatically follow the captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all time. Easier to get complex shots, provides a hands-free flying and selfie. Orbit mode lets the drone fly in a circle around a set waypoint and make you sure will get panorama picture and video. To buy or visit this product, please go to my description box and click the link for the more information and more product. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, and any comments and like will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching. Bye now.